One ogbonge non-governmental organization wey dem dey call Center for Development and Cultural Interchange (CDCI) don do 3 days training for trainers workshop on top trafficking and victim identification. Dis training na under the Transport Unions Against Trafficking in Persons project wey dey funded by the Embassy of Switzerland in Nigeria. Executive Director, Center for Development and Cultural Interchange (CDCI), Emmanuel Sule, for im tok with TMC TV Tori pipo come tok say dis training na to teach drivers and other transport agencies how to identify victims of trafficking and the traffickers themselves. E come tok say the training na part of their effort to reduce trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants.
The name of our organization is Center for Development and Cultural Interchange. So this project now Transport Unions Against Trafficking in Persons project. So for inside that project, we can't do training of trainers. The training of trainers now say we bring transport unions and transport companies like Big Joe, Efosa Express. We bring them come this training to teach them how to identify traffickers and victims as part of our effort to reduce trafficking in persons and smuggling of migrants. You know, say for Edo State, one of our major problems now our youths, when they cross border, they go Libya, they die for desert, they die for Mediterranean Sea. So because of that, we can't say we will support federal government and state government efforts to reduce that scourge, because now really big menace, now big problem, and too many people don't die. So we can't say we will support government to reduce them. That's why the Switzerland embassy can support us to carry out this training. For this particular one, and a training of trainers, we will teach the trainers so that then go still go back to their park and their companies, the transport unions like NUROTW, National Union of Road Transport Workers, and Road Transport Employers Association. They go teach their people how to identify traffickers, how to identify the victims, so that when they don't identify them, they will come report to police or NAPTIP to arrest them. Then also, we also include some members of Nigerian police and also Edo State Task Force on Human Trafficking. So everybody won't join hands together to stop this problem for Edo State.
Representatives of transport unions, agencies and companies like Big Joe Ventures, Road Transport Employers Association of Nigeria (RIT) and Edo State Chapter, Female Drivers Association of Nigeria (FIDA), Edo State Task Force Against Human Trafficking, among others, come tok say the training don't open their eyes to wetin dem be dey overlook before, and say as trainers dem go back to their organization to teach them wetin dem don learn.
They about as you fit identify traffickers and people wey dey traffic. I think people they carry from here, go abroad. Some they play them, then they know what they want to go use them do for that side. But the training now teach us how to identify them. The people they can carry them and the people they carry. They go help us stop them. Because we don't know how we can't know how dangerous the thing is. So many people don't die, you know. The training I tell us like 26,000 people they die every year because of this trafficking. So the training now don't teach us how to know the people since we dey park. Me na from Big Joe. So if we see them, we go dissuade them, we go stop the process. So at least if I fit do one for my park, the others will come to do one for their parks. They will go dey able to stop this human trafficking for those states. Even within one state or the other, like we now dey run north. Most of our movement are north zone, and from north, you know, they travel out. They go walk out from ground through Agadegs. The guys they waka be very dangerous waka. And even people, they go from state to state. If you see a young child, people will know why to travel. You can't travel, you know. You won't find out, why is baby they travel alone? Why you want to travel with them, you know? You will find out whether the person where they carry them get that right to carry that pikin or not. So if we do like that, at least we'll put fear. When they don't say if you come Big Joe, you don't fear time to like that. Traffic person, you understand? So if we do them, other parks do them, at least those things will become a safer place for we and our children.
They invite us come this program, may we can learn some new ways where be say traffickers don't they carry our people illegally against their wish, deceitfully. They deceive them, say better work there abroad, and meanwhile they don't get any good job for them. They'll carry them, go abroad, they use them, they make money for their own selfish gain and all those stuff. So what we can learn here, we say those new ways will go help us to identify those people, make them know they successfully carry our children and adults go dey use dem dey make money abroad, dey suffer dem for there. Then at the end of the day, many of them go return, carry belle come back. Many of them go come carry children come back. You say you dey suffer, then you go carry children come join the wahala. Many of them go kidnap them for there. They come dey call the same place where they say e no good before dem comot. Say make dem bring money, say because they don kidnap them, if they no bring the money, they go come kill them. So many of them will carry gunshots and all those things they come back. So all those problems, na make them invite us come here from different agencies. We can learn new things so that if you see something, you quick talk so that make them never carry the person comot before you go come dey say make una come, because it dey hard when dem carry the person comot from here before you come dey, you no go see phone make call sef. They go collect your phone, collect every identity wey you get. You come dey suffer for desert. Many of them go die. The ones wey dey alive, then you go see some parents go from there. The same parents wey say go, that same parents go come carry picture come say abeg una see my pikin, una see all of una wey come back, una see faces wey be like, no good now. So if we learn how to dey identify them even for motor parks before dem comot, and then even if motor park identify those people, come call us say una see this set of people, be like say they wan carry them comot, so we come go stop them for there. Then we come go educate their families, say madam abeg no kill this pikin because na in debt na you dey send am go. So then the mama go come think again, come understand say before these people intercept this pikin, come say make dem no carry am go. It mean say many things don dey happen for the other side. Na im make Edo State Task Force and they do collaboration with other agencies wey dem dey take dey do their town hall meetings to educate all those our mama, papa and sisters village wey dey villages and other communities. Make dem dey learn these signs. No be everybody wey come meet you say this your pikin fine o, you wan carry am go abroad, you wan go learn work. Na lie, no work dey there, nothing. If pikin no learn work for here, e no go school, which kind of work you wan carry am go do abroad? If pikin dey here, you wey be mama, you no struggle make your pikin learn how to read and write im name, which kind of work you think say the pikin wan go do there? So e better, we know say make people no travel. Traveling na your right as a human being, but if you wan go, stay informed, make you know where you dey go. No say ask questions, say this place wey I wan go, this kind of work dey exist for there. No be the one wey be say dem go reach there, they go carry you go dey sell, give you 20 men, 15, 10 every day like that. Before you come, the person go carry one disease, come dey disturb people for here. E better make you no go, make you dey manage your life for here than say you go there carry sickness, or children wey you no know people wey give you belle carry come dey disturb community for here. Then they go come talk say na government problem. Government never fit solve the one wey dey ground finish. Community go dey add for the matter. E no pure like that. So this matter, e concern me, concern you, e concern everybody. If all of us no put our hands together, this fight no go end. So now when we dey informed for our various homes, from homes to communities, from communities to state level, from state to federal level, everybody go come dey there where then when these traffickers come, they go say come where this work dey. When you don dey ask them some kind of question, they go come know say e be like say these people don open eye o. They go say abeg this business e be like say go don dey spoil o, make we comot for here before they go begin arrest us, we wey dey come find people. You know, all those kind of things na dey bring development. No be only government go fit do am, you dey go do am, me go do my part, everybody go play their part, so that at the end of the day we all go dey happy.
This training wey we do, so 3 days training on train the trainer on how to identify the trafficker and the victim. We don oppose especially our eye. There are some things wey dey happen for the park wey we know they know say these are indication for trafficking. Like if they send somebody small pikin carry am say make e travel without the parents or guardian, it could be an indication for trafficking and other things. And we also know the law. Like if your driver carry somebody like that and they come find out saying na trafficking matter, they go pay fine or go 5 years. Even the park where the thing for happen, you go also pay a fine of 10 million naira and other things. So with this one now, I will go back to our organization to inform them that these are the things we will overlook. Look, we try put eye, so that all these things will not form victim to it. So we don't really expose us, and I think we are better off. We are more informed now, so we act now, because they say see something, say something. So we don't see now, so we continue to say something.
These 3 days training don't teach me a lot. I don't learn a lot about trafficking, and I don't know say not be only to carry person go obodo ibo, go dey work as a prostitute, na be trafficking. Even when we get house girl for our house, we never reach 18 years, or e don reach 18 years, we no dey pay am the Nigerian minimum wage, na trafficking. Other types of trafficking still dey. Not be only to go obodo ibo go do prostitution, na be trafficking. If you carry me when I not tell you I never reach 18 years, or I not tell you say carry me, you carry me go abroad, and you can't go see any part of my body, whether na my breast or whether na my liver, whether na my kidney, or you go sell them to make money, na trafficking. And all these things, they disturb our society. And they don't also teach us ways when we be say we'll fit take arrest these things so that make it not they spread more. As an individual, as mama, I supposed to fit teach my children, say if you dey school and person come meet you, say you go like go abroad or something, maybe we get the power to say no, I don't want to go abroad, or can't tell my mama first. So as mama, when we train our children, our brothers, our sisters, those way there where we they live, our community, may we tell them say trafficking not good. And the more when we say we they see and we know they talk about them, they kill our society, and one way or the other it will come back to come hurt us. So on this note, I go talk, say if you see anything when not good about trafficking, say something about it. We get authorities when we take them up.
This program, they don't organize them to teach people, teach mama and papa, say no be everybody will come your house come talk say they won't carry your pikin go abroad. You go allow them carry your pikin go abroad. Some of them they carry pikin go abroad, go use them do all sort of yama work. Some of them go come prostitute. Some of them go become houseboy, house girl. But if you get pikin we won't go abroad, you go the right people. We get agency, we get authority for that kind matter. Say my pikin won't come on for Nigeria, won't go abroad. They go help them. But if you just carry your pikin go give uncle, auntie where they abroad, we can't tell you say they won't help your pikin go abroad. Make you put eye for the reason why they won't carry your pikin go there, because some of them no be their true mind they take do am. They take do am based on say that your pikin e get something where they feel they do, we go give them money. Now for their own interest, then they find. No be say to better your family. Now for their own interest.
We come to this program, and it's something that we didn't know before, and they teach us, and we know. It's now my turn to take this message back to my union, to my park, to the driver, and to the passenger also, to let them know about trafficking of human. So in fact, I really learned a lot of things here that we took back to the park and to the other people, even to my family, even to my home.
From Benin City, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.